I'm gonna take a card. You can see all this, right? I want somebody to get a card. Where's Ate Anne? Right? When you see stop, it's okay for me to see the card. Where's your sister? You stop on this card, and you get this card. Right? Because I want you to make it personal. Write your name. Big name on the sea of diamond. Ikaw, you remember your card? You remember that very well. I remember that. Ikaw muna. Okay, next. You put it on the easy box. Alright, I will read to the card. Please come whenever you want. And then we put that card. Aya, ready, Aya? Face up. You put the card on top. Oh, you have your card with you, right? You have your card. Remember your card? If you remember your card, this is first you put it somewhere. You put it there. Sino right-handed? I'm going to put this card, 6 of diamond, 6 of spades. To this position, 6 of spades, bring here. 6 of spades. Now, if I'm going to use a magic wand to do my magic, wala akong magic wand nandun sa gamit ko, I'll just use the Sharpie. 6 of spades, if I tap that using this, and I will say change, the 6 of spades will change. Do you believe that? Hold it carefully, very tight, safeguard it. 1, 2, 3, change. That will change. Okay, check.
What? Wow!
Change your card, right?
Wow.
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Sino pa ba? You put the card here. Sinong right-handed, left-handed? Right? You put the Aya card somewhere in the middle. You push the Aya card. Oh! You might say, that's why I know the position of the card because there's a mark. Tama? There's a mark. We remove the mark. So that I will not know the position of the Aya card, right? But when I snap, where's the card? Somewhere in the middle. But we do not know the location already, right? We erase the mark, tama? But when I snap, we recall, we blow. Very good. Now, there's your card. There's your card, it's always going on top. Have you observed that? It's always going on top. We have to stop it. How do we stop that? We put a lot of cards on top so that it will stop. Now, Aya or Alexi, can you count how many cards are on top? I lost count. So it's somewhere in the middle. So it will not go up somewhere in the middle. Now we count the cards. We shuffle the cards. Shuffle it again. Now, if your card will go on top, will that be amazing? Will that be amazing? After all the shuffles, all the cards, will that be amazing kung ito yung Aya card? Let's find out. Aya card. Sup, guys? Ayaw na umakyat. What if it will go down? Will that be amazing pag sa baba? Ay, don't worry. Wala, kasi I'm a magician, I always do magic. Siguro kahapon ito. We just erase. Maybe you also try it. Right? Erase. How do you erase cards? How do you erase? You can try to rub the card. What's this card? Rub it. If you rub that, you can erase it. That will become your card. Wait, something now. Make side with your card. Where's your card? That's the, remember your card. Where's your card? Are you card? What? Now I ripple. Now hold the card. I'm going to change that card. If that will become the 5 of cards, the circle, will that be amazing? What did I do a while ago with your card? I used this as a magic wand. 1, 2, 3, 5 of cards. Watch. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5 of cards. Bakit tayo gumana? Can you change the card? Maybe something's wrong. Can you hold down for Sharpie? Can you hold it? What's that card? Basta natin. It's not working properly. Very sorry. You use this. Hold this. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3. 5 of 5. Hey, Diamond. Tama, di ba? Wrong? Nagba-backfire yata. Can I hold the card? Okay lang. You hold the Sharpie. You do the magic. You tap it 3 times. Then say magic. Change. 5 of hearts. One more. Bakit sa'yo gumagana? Sa'yo hindi. One more. 1, 2, 3. Bakit sa'yo gumagana? Baka nag-backfire. Sino ba nag-backfire? Can I get the cup? Can you open the Sharpie?
What?
Is that your card?
Yes.
So nag-backfire siya. That's why it's lost. Nag-backfire. Tama? What if I'm going to return this? I'm going to return the 5 of cards dito. Kasi naging Sharpie siya eh. Tama? Bigyan mo Sharpie. Kasi Mati, okay yun. Open your hand. Close. Cover it. Yan. Without looking. 5 of cards will go in. Cover it. Be sure that no cards will come in. Cover it. Now I'm going to get the card without looking. Without looking. Open it slowly. Without looking. This is the 5 of hearts. Bakit naging diamond? Wag na nga. Sobrang wag na. Ganito na lang. What if I can make the whole deck vanish? Will that be amazing? Inside your hand. If this will vanish, would that be amazing? Let's do it, Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Vanish. Wala na yung deck. Wala na yun. One more. 1, 2, 3. Vanish. Wala na yung deck. Ano alam? How did you know? Ay, nakikita mo? One more. 1, 2, 3. Vanish. Bigyan mo sa akin. Ano ba? Let's check Let's check the card. Let's check. I'll get one more card. The 5 of spades. 5 of hearts. This one. Ayaw talaga, sorry. Vanish na lang natin. Ikaw gumawa ng magic. This will be my final magic. You wiggle your fingers. Let's find out if you can do the final trick. When you say magic, vanish. Let's find out. Cards, wala na. Diyan pa rin? No. Meron pa? You show it us.
Gone. It's gone.
So you did the final magic. High five. What's your name? What's your name? Regina. Congratulations. You did the final magic. Thank you. High five. Thank you. Thank you guys. Your birthday wish. Get ready with your birthday wish later. And opening prayer. High five. Tonzi, remember. See you later. Galing, I like it. Thank you guys.